If you're considering cataract or premium lens replacement surgery, it's quite likely that you're a little bit scared. And a lot of patients are scared. They're scared that something will go wrong, that they'll have a complication, that it'll hurt, or even that you might possibly go blind. Well, the reality is that cataract and lens replacement surgery is extremely safe. It's basically painless. Patients feel a little bit of pressure, minimal to no pain, and the risk of a serious blinding complication is super rare. It's about 1 in 5,000. The reality is our team here at Austin Eye is hyper-focused on ensuring that you have the best and the safest outcome with your cataract or premium lens replacement surgery. So let me take you into our operating room and we'll show you an actual case and you'll see what it's like, and you'll see that the patient is actually quite comfortable and how easy the surgery actually goes. Come on in. Good, look toward the middle of the light. It's going to be a little bright, good.
Yeah.
And I think a good angle, Trisha, is actually, at times, is like this TV screen and me kind of in one frame. It's kind of
The money shot.
It's a money shot.
You're mighty good at it. You got lots of
Right
pride.
at 105, 105. Good. That looks good. Perfect. What's got 102, I think. Yeah. Doing great. Time 3:23. I want to give you extra numbing medicine.
Ready?
This is just lidocaine numbing medicine that we put inside. Good, everything's looking perfect. You can even show how my feet, so I control the microscope and some of the machines with my feet.
You can see.
Okay, you're good, you're good. 0.8 at 105. 0.8 at 105, so I'm going to do like right here. Perfect. This is the microscope control, and then this machine is controlled with my right foot. All right, you're doing great. Perfect.
Good.
Keep looking towards the middle of your light. Good, fine.
I think I would have enjoyed doing this if I'd stayed with Dr. Marvel.
You wanted to go into medicine at one point?
Oh yeah, I changed finance like a while. I was able to retire early.
Keep looking straight ahead. Feel a little pressure, a little fluid, everything's going great though. Another thing, Christian, you can show how I position my hands. I'm resting my hands on his head. So if his head moves, I move with him segment.
Segment removal.
Kind of how I hold the instruments like pencils.
Doing great. Looking good. We're halfway moved
Radiation
in there.
aspiration.
We've removed most of the cataract already.
Yeah.
We're kind of at the halfway point. You're gonna feel fluid and pressure. I heard like the bubble go through. See here, I hear that. So hopefully it won't do anything. Okay.
Time to insert the lens.
We have removed your cataract. Yeah, we're filling the eye with a clear protective gel. And then we're going to put your new lens in. We'll be done in about 2 minutes or less. It's gone well. Great. Perfect. New lens is great. So now you're going to feel fluid and pressure. Will be done in about a minute. Everything looks great. You live in LaGrange?
No, in Coral,
Bro, where's that?
north of Lancaster.
Okay, now.
And this ranch coming up. Far cry from my computer business.
Awesome. Look toward the middle of those two lights.
Got it?
Just making sure everything's sealed up and it's just the way we want it. It's looking good. Looking perfect. I think we're done. Thank you, sir.
Please close.
So in conclusion, this patient is very typical for most patients that undergo cataract or lens replacement surgery at our surgical center. They were comfortable, surgery went well, they felt calm enough during the procedure that we're actually having a little conversation during the procedure, and immediately after surgery they felt well enough that we actually took a little celebratory photograph, which was a nice moment. And then typically our patients will leave our center and go home 5 to 10 minutes after surgery. Vision will be blurry in the eye that receives the surgery for half a day, and then it begins to get better and better. And typically by the day after surgery, the vision has improved quite a bit. So hopefully this video gives you a better understanding and a better sense of calm and ease and confidence that when you undergo your cataract or lens replacement procedure, that it'll go well, you'll be comfortable, and we're going to take great care of you. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.